Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Did a video on this one yesterday. Bought some shares. They have earnings coming out today. And apologize, I didn't realize the earnings were today. Robinhood said, I don't know what date, but it was wrong. So somebody corrected it in the comments. So sorry I didn't catch that, but earnings are actually today. We'll go over that here. So this one's been kind of all over the place. I got into it a while back. Don't have a whole lot here in this account. I have more in retirement, so you can make fun if you of my 5 shares, but I have more in retirement, so never show everything that I have here on the channel, but this one's had some interesting run-ups, and the ratings analyst is kind of what got me into it after I started researching it. But as you can see, over the last year, it's down pretty much 84%. Here in the last 3 months, down over 50%. Here in the last month, down over 11%. In the last week, almost kind of flat. Had the run-up there yesterday, so kind of missed that watching some other things. But here today, so in anticipation of the earnings, it's down. So almost tempted to buy some more of this one. I'm just going to watch it and see what happens with it. But if you don't know much about this one, it is in the engages in the provision and transaction processing solution and enterprise information management. They do quite a number of different things. I'll go ahead and link my other videos in the description as well. But Healthcare Solutions segment offers revenue cycle solutions, integrated accounts payable and accounts receivable, legal and loss prevention. So like I said, into a number of different things. So we'll go over more of that here later in the video. Founded in 2004. Volume is a little bit higher than average at 33.44 million, average of 24.72. Market cap of 223.73 million and a 52-week low of 0.345 and a high of $5.45. So even if at my cost basis of 83 cents, considering I don't buy any more and it hits that, I'd be happy. Even if $1 or $2, I'd be happy. So, but here's where I bought mine back in February 7th. So I've had this one for a little while. So, Microsoft Bing currently shows this one as a buy with a 1-year price target of $3.50. I think that's down a little bit from my other videos, but XELA Technologies to host 4th quarter and full year 2020 financial results conference call here, and this just came out yesterday or Wednesday. But a global business process automation leader across numerous industries will host a conference call with the financial community to discuss results for the 4th quarter, full year of 2021 at 2 p.m. Eastern. So that should be about an hour away on March 11th, which is today. So XELA will issue a press release reporting its results before start of the call. So hosting the call and reviewing the results are the following. And here again is the time, 2 p.m. Eastern, which I'm in Central Time, so that should be an hour away. So, and we will see how it goes. Here's the number and all the information, websites, and again, you can find this on Yahoo Finance. Exela Technologies announces successful completion of exchange offer for shares of common stock, and this is dated today, a couple hours ago. So they announced the successful completion of its previously announced offer to exchange shares of its common stock for 6%. Series B cumulative convertible perpetual preferred stock, with each 20 shares of common stock being exchanged for 1 share of Series B preferred stock, having a liquidation preference $25 per share. So those of you that are totally into XELA, you'll want to make note of some of this information. So the offer expired at 11:59 p.m. New York City time on Thursday, March 10th. The expiration date pursuant to the offer. And so again, you can find this on Yahoo Finance as well. Here's some more about Exela. So they are a leader leveraging a global footprint and proprietary technology to provide digital transformation solutions enhancing quality, productivity, and end user experience with decades of experience operating mission-critical processes. XELA serves a growing roster of more than 4,000 customers throughout 50 countries, including over 60% of Fortune 100, utilizing foundational technologies spanning information management, workflow, automation, and integrated communications. Through the cloud-enabled platforms built on a configurable stack of automation modules and over 17,000 employees operating in 23 countries. So between the 17,000, 23 countries, and 4,000 customers, and the finance and accounting, and their cloud-enabled platform really started making me look into this company, and that's why I got some shares. So we'll see how the call goes later. Can Exela Technologies still be considered a loss when it's down 3% a year to date? And this just came out today as well. So the traded shares were 81.86 million, with the beta value of the company hitting 1.84 at the end of the trading day. The stock's price is 85 cents, reflecting an intraday gain 10.53%, or 8 cents. The 52-week high 782, down 820 from the peak, though it's still striking 60%. So feel free to pause and go over the rest. They kind of already went over the trading, the highs and the lows. And here it kind of talks about the spike. That will all change here within an hour or two. Over here on Reddit, Exela looks really primed to make a large move up next week, specifically started on 310. So it did make the move, but that is down in regards to the call, currently at 63 cents, showing it as a buy here. On tip ranks, currently at 63 with a moderate buy with a 693% upside to $5. So, and it's just 5 across the board. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens with this one throughout the day. So should be interesting, but yeah, I haven't quite decided on this one. Might pick up some more before. I might wait until after. I don't know yet, so I'll watch this one. But any other updates, I'll try to make a video and get that out as soon as I can. And if there's any other stocks you want me to make a video, I'd be happy to take a look at those as well. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.